When you're sad and when you're lonely and you haven't got a friend, just remember that this is not the end. Although that you have secrets, walks down and does the bed, just remember that this is not the end. Not the end. Not the end. Just remember that this is not the end. When you're standing